Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to integrate the FontAwesome icons to appear inside your Vue 3 application. So there is a package inside Vue 3 which you can use it if you do want to use FontAwesome icons. FontAwesome, if you don't know, it's a popular website providing open source icons for your web applications. So this is their official website, fontawesome.com. So if you visit this, there are actually two ways. Either you can include it directly by CDN, or there is a specific package for Vue.js. If you just go to npmjs.com and just search for this package, which is font awesome Vue font awesome. So this is actually the package. It's the official Vue component for font awesome. So it's the official plugin, specifically works with the latest version, which is Vue 3. And this is actually the command. Just execute this command to install it. It's almost having 110,000 weekly downloads. They have their instructions given on their official documentation. So these are SVG icons that you see available for all sort of. You can change the color and as well. So now to get started, I have given all the source code in the description of this video, so you can directly go to it and get the source code. So I will now step by step tell you. So first of all, just create a simple Vue 3 app project. Go to your main.ts file, so configuration file. So right here, we need to add some import statements. So right here in this, we first of all import this library coming from FontAwesome. FontAwesome SVG core, and then we need to also import FontAwesome free solid SVG icons, and then we also need to import FontAwesome icon, which will be directly coming from FontAwesome Vue FontAwesome. These are the three packages we are importing it, and then we need to add this to the library. So we say library.add, and then we pass this FAS reference. And lastly, we need to create this component, register this component. So app.component, and then FontAwesome icon, and then we pass this reference FontAwesome icon. This is a little bit of configuration that you need to do before using it. So just I have given this file in the description, so you can get this. And now close this, come to your app.vue, wherever you need to use these icons. So just create a simple template tag, and inside this, in order to use it now, so we just use this FontAwesome icon, and then it takes some options. First of all, which icon that you want to show. Let me say coffee, and you can even provide a style here to the icon. I can control the font size to REM, and then you can even control the color as well. So providing a hexadecimal code. So once you initialize the icon, you can directly see the result in the browser. It will look something like this. If you want some change the size here, let's suppose 12. So you can see the quality of the icon. It looks something like this. And in the similar way, we can show all the icons. This is the coffee icon. So in FontAwesome, you can check the documentation. It has all the icons, which is home, user, search, and heart. So in this way, you can integrate this FontAwesome icons inside your Vue 3 application with this package. You can directly use it. It's an official package provided by FontAwesome, specifically for Vue 3 apps. So we go to main.ts, we import these, and then we can directly use it. So thank you very much for watching this video, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video, and image. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video.